If you're looking to try a new browser, Arc for Windows should definitely be on your list. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how you can download Arc on your Windows machine. So if you've been reading up about Arc browser and been jealous of Mac users wanting to try it, the good news is Arc browser has closed its closed beta and now is available for the public to download. Now to do that, just open up your existing web browser and head over to arc.net, or you can just search for the Arc browser right here. And the website is called arc.net. As soon as you're here, it's available on Windows and it's only available for Windows 11. So if you have a Windows 10 PC, you can try downloading it, but it may or may not work. Just go ahead and click download Arc for Windows. Now this will download the Arc installer.exe file. All you have to do is open or save it however you want. So I'll just give this file a second to run. And as you can see, Arc is installed, initiating update. So since I already have Arc installed, it's just reinstalled the same version for me. And here we go. Arc is installed and is running. I will quickly just change the theme to acrylic so that it looks better. And yeah, that's how easy it is to install Arc on Windows. Keep in mind that it's not available anywhere else other than the official arc.net website. So there are a lot of fake browsers or malware spreading in the name of Arc at the moment. Do not download it from the Microsoft Store. Do not download it from a third-party website. Only download the full stable public release from arc.net. It's just 2 clicks and you're good to go. So while downloading Arc browser is really easy, keep in mind that there are some restrictions around it. As I said before, devices running Windows 10 or older will not support the current version of Arc. Now Windows 10 support is coming soon, but how soon is it actually going to come? We don't know. Then devices with Intel and AMD processors that do not support the BMI2 instruction set, which means older Intel, AMD Athlon or AMD Ryzen processors will not support Arc. You can still download it and try and run it if you have Windows 11, but your performance is generally speaking going to be terrible. Last but not least, Arc does not have native ARM support. So if you have one of the newer Windows Copilot Plus PCs and are looking to get Arc on that, we don't have native ARM Arc. You can of course run the Windows 11 Arc via an emulator layer on it, but ARM64 support is also coming soon. You can sign up for updates on Arc for Windows 10 and ARM64 on the resources.arc.net website. There is a page that says unsupported devices. I'll put the link in the description below. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. Or if you have any thoughts that you'd like to share about this video, drop a comment below and I'll be there talking to you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.